Hi everyone! Welcome back to school! Today, in this first meeting of Term 2, we are going to learn about sorting living things in Chapter 2 with me, Miss Ogi Fira. Before that, do you know what is classifying? There is a wide variety of living things around us. To learn about them more easily, we can sort them into different groups. This process is called as classifying. We classify them according to their similarities and also differences. For today's meeting, we'll get to know more about mammals, fish, and also birds. Mammals. Do you know? Mammals have an outer body covering of hair or fur. Female mammals produce milk to feed their young. Mammals give birth of their young alive. Some mammals live on land, such as elephants, cats, foxes, and also humans. Some mammals, such as whales and dolphins, live in the sea. The second one is birds. Do you know? Birds have beak instead of teeth. Birds have feathers. Birds have a pair of wings. However, not all birds can fly. Birds lay eggs with shells. The shells protect the eggs. Fish. Do you know? Fish have fins that help them to swim. Fish have scales that protect their bodies. Fish have gills on both sides of their heads. Gills help the fish to breathe in the water. Most fish lay eggs. A few fish can give birth to their young alive. Those are the characteristics of mammals, birds, and also fish. Now, can you help me to classify animals? Please open the slides in your Google Classroom. Help me to classify the animals. Drag the pictures into the right group. Turn in the assignments. Happy working, everyone! Thank you!